Welcome to Tech House YouTube channel. Today we are going to resolve how to fix laptop slowness, laptop hanging issue, and disk utilization high issue in a Windows 10 operating system. So, if you anybody didn't subscribe this, please subscribe our channel and update new techniques to resolve the technical issues. Okay, see, in the task manager you can able to see high CPU and disk utilization. So how to overcome all three issues: CPU, memory, disk? First, the thing is you should clear temporary files. I'm going to explain one by one in a simple manner for the non-technical guys also, and you can fix your all technical issues by yourselves. Prefetch, you enter the command clear cache. Okay, okay, and here in the services and in the process you come to know which service consuming more RAM, CPU, disk. With this you can able to find out the problem in your machine. And this PC, go to properties, here go to advanced system settings, in the visual effect go to settings, advanced. Okay, make it C drive, virtual memory to less, it will be increases your laptop performance. Start later, and to clear C drive full issue also click on local disk C and go to Windows. Here software distribution, go to downloads, clear all the content. Wait until the operation should be complete, and go to PC. Okay, you please wait once it's completed with the operation. Okay, it will go to event viewer. Okay, in the run window, type event viewer, enter. So event viewer window will appear. In that, clear Windows logs. Due to clearing Windows logs, your performance will be increases. Here you should go to Windows logs. Here right click the application. Here you can able to see clear log. So click it. It will take some time to clear the log files which is generated, and it also clears all the logs history which is saved in the system. Okay, save and clear. If you don't want, just don't save it, just clear it, and also similarly apply for all the things. Clear, and do it for all the things. Clear the things. Okay, this is one of the way you can improve your laptop performance. Still, it's not yet been resolved, but few more steps we have to follow. Windows 10 update should be up to date. It's required. How to go Windows 10 status? Here, go to Windows. See, you'll come to know how many patches updation is pending. It is pending. Please update it. Put it to the mark. Okay. In this way, you should update your patches in your machine. And then go to services. Here, go to OneSync. It's you'll come to know this is also one of the service creating CPU high utilization. You just restart the service. fixing host. So this is also one of the service creating high CPU utilization. It should be turned off. And now see the CPU utilization and memory from moderate. And Windows modular installer it's consuming more RAM utilization. So you should fill the service. It will be and even though so disk is not yet been resolved means you should type the cmd command in run and type the check disk slash or slash f enter. It will what will do, it will scans your hard disk in a bit manner wise and it will clear the bad sector issue with the hard disk. So then automatically your performance will be increases. Now see the disk utilization normal. In this way you can increase your laptop system performance issue in the operating system of any where you are facing the laptop hanging issue. Thank you for watching the video. For any new videos, you just ask the our new channel.